XRP price prediction. Can bulls shake off bearish technicals? XRP price prediction is in sharp focus as XRP trades around $3.02 to $3.04 on October 3rd, 2025, after a minor increase in volume and renewed institutional interest. The token remains stuck near $3, with bulls defending the $2.85 to $2.90 range and repeated efforts to break above $3.05 to $3.10 are facing resistance. That balance, firm bids below versus weak breakouts above, makes the next directional move critical for medium-term conviction and shapes the latest Ripple price forecast. The XRP price prediction scenario, the Ripple XRP. XRP, 1.6%. XRP price movement over the last 48 hours shows consolidation just above $3, with swings that have repeatedly failed to hold above the $3.05 to $3.10 area. On-chain reporters and market coverage highlight active whale accumulation and lower exchange inventories, which reduces readily available sell supply. Still, derivatives data show rising open interest and mildly positive funding, indicating that leverage buyers are becoming more involved while many spot traders remain cautious. The end effect is tight technical compression, with a neutral RSI and flag/triangle-like structure that can snap either way when volume confirms direction. Upside outlook for XRP price: if XRP can clear $3.05 to $3.10 with follow-through volume. The first obvious objective is $3.30 to $3.40, and a sustained advance beyond that opens the door for an expectation of more ambitious targets in the mid-$4s, particularly if institutional flows and ETF dynamics strengthen. Real catalysts that could lead to that conviction include confirmed SBI institutional lending expansion in Asia, new large treasury buys from corporate treasuries, and, most importantly, any official movement or positive signals on spot ETF approvals, which market participants anticipate in mid-October. Institutional venues and regulated futures, CME/other, setting new open interest records magnify the potential gain by injecting deeper, more consistent liquidity into the market. Downside risks to XRP price. The primary short-term risk is a rollover and loss of the $2.85 to $2.90 support cluster. A definitive drop below $2.90 would likely exacerbate liquidation pressure and send XRP into the $2.74 to $2.66 range, or lower if financing turns sharply negative and BTC declines. Macro/fear factors include a sharp drop in BTC, lower ETF odds, or a risk-off shift triggered by macro data or regulatory headlines would accentuate the bad technical setup and raise the likelihood of a deeper corrective leg. Ripple's recent leadership changes have introduced some headline volatility, which markets have swiftly priced in, so corporate updates remain a tail risk. Key range: $2.90 to $3.05. Scenario A: clearing $3.10 with volume targets $3.30 to $3.40. Higher projection zones at $4.50 to $5 remain possible with ETF approvals and strong inflows. Scenario B: breakdown, loses $2.90 target $2.74 to $2.66 next. Protracted sell-offs are possible if DRE